Hey, my name's Sandra and I'm with Two-Way Direct. Today I'm going to talk to you about our replacement battery for the CP200 radio. So I'll do a quick unboxing. This is a replacement radio battery for the Motorola CP200 radio, and it also fits the CP200D radio from Motorola as well. Ours do come with a belt clip already attached, so you're good to go. It's very simple to change this out. I'm going to unlock this battery. To add our new battery, we'll want to set it in place with the grooves, and then we'll swipe up until it clicks, and then you can lock it into place by moving the latch. It's important to replace your battery every 12 to 18 months depending on your usage. To get this Motorola CP200 radio battery, visit our website at twaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks guys! Don't forget to like and subscribe.